Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into something that might seem a bit daunting at first. Writing the results and discussion sections of your junior high school research report. But don't worry, I'm here to break it down for you, making it as simple and straightforward as possible. Let's get started. First up, the results section. This is where you get to show off all the hard data you've collected. Start by presenting your findings clearly. Use graphs, tables, and charts if you can. They really help visualize the data and make your points clearer. Remember, the key here is clarity. You want anyone who reads your report to understand your findings without scratching their heads. Now let's talk about discussing these results. The discussion section is your chance to shine. This is where you interpret what your results mean. Ask yourself, what did I find out and why is it important? Connect the dots for your reader. Explain how your findings relate to the question you started with and discuss how they match or differ from what you expected. Here's a tip. Don't be afraid to talk about what didn't go as planned. Research is all about exploration and learning, and sometimes things don't work out the way we predict. Discussing these aspects can provide valuable insights and show your understanding of the research process. Another crucial part of the discussion is considering the broader implications of your findings. Think about how your research fits into a larger picture. For example, if you did a project on plant growth, how might your findings affect the way we think about agriculture or environmental conservation? And finally, wrap up your discussion by suggesting what could be studied next. Research is a continuous cycle of questioning, investigating, and learning. There's always something more to explore. So, there you have it, some straightforward tips to help you master the results and discussion sections of your junior high research report. Keep these pointers in mind and you're well on your way to impressing your teachers and peers with a top-notch report. Thanks for tuning in and happy researching.